One of the simplest upgrades you can make to your Spyder RT is improving side visibility, and today, we're excited to show you a clean solution that does exactly that. These are the DashFlarez Amber LED side markers with integrated turn signals. These lights mount to the small plastic panels located inside the left and right side view mirrors using high-strength 3M VHB backing tape, placing the lights directly within your forward line of sight. The DashFlarez were originally designed as turn signal-only markers, but now include integrated amber running lights as well. If you'd prefer them to operate strictly as turn signals, we include a turn-only adapter that bypasses the running light circuit with a quick plug-in. Each light is housed in a durable, injection-molded plastic body with a smoked lens for a stealthy look when the lights are off, and a crisp amber once illuminated. Installation is plug-and-play, but before you begin, you'll need one of our TricLED Power Harness Kits installed. Once that harness is in place, you'll have a conveniently located power connector beneath the A-arms on both sides of the Spyder, making it simple to plug in lighting accessories like the DashFlarez. Now let's get started with the install on our 2024 Spyder RT.
Before you begin, ensure your Spyder is parked on level ground, your ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. The manufacturer recommends adding a small amount of dielectric grease to the ends of all connectors included in the kit. This helps protect the electrical connection points and components from moisture and corrosion. Starting on the right-hand side of the Spyder, use a plastic pry tool to remove the small plastic panel underneath the mirror assembly. Then carefully remove the rear portion of the mirror housing. Line up your new DashFlarez light with the small plastic panel you removed, and use a marking pen to mark the location where the power cable will pass through. Use a center punch to create a small divot at your marked location. Then drill a hole using a 7/16" drill bit. Clean the surface area of the panel with an alcohol prep pad and allow it to dry. Apply the included adhesion promoter to the same area and allow that to dry as well. Feed the connector through the panel. Remove the protective film from the 3M VHB backing tape. Carefully line up the light. Then press down firmly to adhere it into place. Feed the wiring harness through the hole under the mirror. Pull it through to the opposite side. Then reattach the panel to the vehicle. If you'd like the DashFlarez to operate as turn signals only, with no running lights, then you'll need to plug in one of the included turn-only adapters into the connector coming from the DashFlarez. If you'd like the lights to operate as both running lights and turn signals, then you simply will not use the turn signal-only adapters. The kit also includes a Y-splitter. On the side of the Y-splitter with two connectors, plug one of those connectors into the harness coming from the DashFlarez. Then plug the single side into one of the included extension harnesses. You'll have one extra connector on the Y harness that can be used to power additional lighting mods, such as our high-vis mirror lights. Once connected, run the other end of the extension harness down into the opening under your mirror assembly, like so. Then pull it down into the A-arm area. Connect this included Y harness into the corresponding connector on the accessory power harness you previously installed. Then plug the white connector into the extension harness running to your DashFlarez. You'll notice after these connections are made, you'll still have an available port to power other lighting mods down the road. Turn on the vehicle and activate the right side turn signal to test your work. If everything is functioning properly, wrap the connectors in electrical tape and zip tie any loose wiring up and out of the way of all moving parts. Reinstall the mirror cover. Then repeat these steps to install the DashFlarez on the other side of the vehicle.
Once installed, the difference is immediate. You get sharper looks, stronger side visibility, and turn signals that actually stand out, all while keeping a clean, factory-style appearance. If you're ready to upgrade your Spyder RT with the DashFlarez Amber LED side markers, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.